I am Salma Haq, and along with me, my group members are Sanjida Akhtar Chouiki, Mehbooba Khan, Asad Tabassum, and Kamala Rahim. Today, we are going to present the role of accountants in the Bangladesh ecosystem. Let's first discuss the about the executive summary of our project paper. This project paper is focused on the role of accountants in the Bangladesh economy. The main role of an accountant is to collect, analyze, record, and report the financial data of a company. They ensure that a company complies with all government rules and regulations. The paper is based on different statutory sources, which is generated from close investment with the profession. We have a table of contents. You may have looked at it. There are 6 chapters in our table of contents. Chapter 1, Introduction and Objectives. Chapter 2, Global Organization. Chapter 3, Literature Review. And Chapter 4, Research Methodology. Chapter 5, Data Analysis, Findings and Recommendation. Chapter 6, Conclusion. Now let's see the introduction of our project paper.
British India
British India is where the profession of cost and management accounting originated in Bangladesh. However, this profession was institutionalized throughout the years before independence, and today the profession has a significant impact on Bangladesh's socio-economic environment and development and promoting guidelines for other than the international education standards IES 7 is program of lifelong learning and entrepreneurial work into 4. The standard was revised in 2012 and IES 7 become effective in January 2014. The IES must be
আর একটু সামনে নে কোথায় বেরিয়ে নাম মাইক শুধু শুধু হাতে নিচ্ছে
financial data currently record যাবে রিপোর্ট করার পর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের সোশ্যাল ইকোনমিক যে ইফেক্টিভ হবে
কথা নাই
the main role of an accountant is to analyze records and report financial data of company or and they ensure that a company complies with all of the government rules and regulations. An accountant also has to analyze financial data to make data-driven business decisions. Accountants are known for both internal and external. Accountants spend a lot